It's the Blue-Footed Booby Bird Ballet with music from Swan Lake by Peter Ilyich Tchaikovsky. Play! The birds are so excited. They've been practicing and practicing. And today, they're going to put on a big ballet show. See? It's the Blue-Footed Booby Bird Ballet. Good luck! I'll see you at the show! Wait! Stop! You left one of my students! Don't worry. My friends and I will get you to the show.
We've got a mission! We're going to bring baby Booby Bird to the ballet. Let the mission begin! Buckle your seatbelts!
Uh-oh, we need to get past the sleeping tortoise so we can get to the ballet. Help us wake him up by teaching him to stretch with arabesque. Help me teach baby Booby Bird to arabesque. When a colored arrow moves across Rocket's booster, hit that same arrow key on your keyboard. Use the left and right arrow keys for this dance. Now it's your turn. I told you you could do it. Great! Congratulations, baby Booby Bird. You just earned your arabesque sticker. That sand sure looks hot. Help us get across as quickly as possible. Using the beret move, we can walk on our tiptoes. Help me teach baby Booby Bird to beret. When a colored arrow moves across Rocket's booster, use the up arrow key to move baby Booby Bird across the sand. Hit the key faster as the sand gets hotter. Now it's your turn. And guess what, baby Booby Bird? You earned another sticker for doing such a great beret. The Golden Eagle Ray is going to lead us to the ballet. Help us teach Rocket to swim faster as we learn port-de-bras. Help me teach baby Booby Bird to port-de-bras. When a colored arrow moves across Rocket's blower, hit the same arrow key on your keyboard. Use the up and down arrow keys for this dance. Now it's your turn. You just earned another sticker. You get this one for learning port-de-bras. We made it to the ballet. Now use all the moves you've learned, arabesque, bourrée, and port-de-bras, in the big show. You're ready for the big show. When a colored arrow moves across Rocket's booster, hit that same arrow key on your keyboard. Use all 4 arrow keys for the ballet. Now it's your turn. Such a good dancer. Such a good dancer. That's it. Beautiful.